So what's up today? Nothing much. It's Saturday. Day of work. Fantastic. I have nothing fancy planned today. No bushcrafting. Nothing much. I'm not even going to look for firewood. So I just bring my Trangia and some food, and I'm going off to make lunch. I'm in a wood that's practically next door to our house. So just walk for an hour. We're in the middle of it. See if we can find a place. I think it's a place up there that's quite promising. And just sit down, have a quick lunch, nothing more. So that's the plan for today. Nothing really. Just go out, enjoy myself. My lunch is ready. Time to eat. Mm. 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 Strange. Simple food always tastes best in the woods. Yeah, hi. Now I got some food and I feel really good. It's a nice day today. It's about 0 degrees, almost no wind. And a bit of snow. So it's pretty silent. And that's nice. It was nice to not have a project to do today. Just grab a bunch of gear and go out. Not hassling with any camp building or bushcrafting. Just the old trusted Trangia and some food. Pick a spot and just do it in 10-15 minutes. For now I'll just enjoy the moment. And that's pretty much for me what outdoor is about. Go out, find the calm, just enjoying being here and now. No plans, no fancy stuff, just be. Nothing is complicated. Take a look at this, isn't it beautiful? Gets you thinking of the Narnia books, especially the second one, where they enter the wardrobe and end up in a forest. I guess for loads of you guys this is nothing special, but here on the west coast in Sweden we rarely get any snow. If it comes, it rains away the day after. So to be able to actually walk in a winter forest, it's not an everyday happening here on the west coast. I like it when winter time actually is winter time not just a slightly colder misery. Not feeling too well this trip. It's been nice. A couple of hours on the trail. I mean, the week I had, it's been just crazy. And not entirely good crazy all the way. Pretty much bad crazy. On top of each other, so... Today, no pressure, has been perfect. Yesterday I felt like someone spun my head around for a couple of times and put it on backwards. But now, I'm at ease. I'm calm. I loaded my batteries. I'm ready to tackle life again. And I don't consider myself a religious person, but if I were religious, the forest is definitely my church. Place to come to for perspective. Yeah, it's been a good day.